Stiff neck after using your phone or sitting all day? Don't scroll. Give me just 5 minutes and let's relax that neck and shoulder tension together. Sit comfortably, relax your shoulders and follow along with me. Remember, every movement should be slow. Let's begin. Sit tall and relax your shoulder. Slowly stretch your neck upwards using your both the hands, pressing your chin upwards. Come back to the center and then slowly bring your chin towards your chest. Repeat this process for at least 3 times and keep the movement slow. Now let's stretch the sideways of your neck. Bring your right ear towards your right shoulder. Keep your shoulder down and relaxed. Take a deep breath in and while exhaling, slowly change the side. Left ear towards the left shoulder. Don't pull your head. Just allow the stretch to happen gently. Bring your head back to the center. Now while exhaling, slowly turn your head towards the right side. Feel the stretch on the left side. Back to the center. And now towards the left side. You have to do this process for 3 times. Keep your chin level and only move within a comfortable range. Very good. You are relaxing your neck very comfortably. Now let's relax the shoulders. Bring your shoulders up, roll them back and down. Again up, back and down. You have to do this process comfortably. You can feel the stretch on your shoulders. You are relaxing your shoulders. And comfortably relax your shoulders. Now we are going to target that area where you often feel tension between your neck and shoulder. Sit tall. Bring your right arm relaxed down. Slowly bring your right ear towards the right shoulder. Keep your left shoulder heavy. Breathe in. Now slowly bring your left hand down. Exhale and bring your left ear towards the left shoulder. While coming back, you have to come slowly and you have to repeat again for 3 times. Now let's work on a simple movement that's specifically useful if you spend a lot of time looking at your phone or laptop. Look straight ahead, gently pull your chin straight backwards like you're making a tiny double chin. Hold here for 3 seconds and relax. Again, gently back and relax. Now close your eyes if you are comfortable. Take a deep breath in and out. Let your shoulders become heavy. One more deep breath in and relax. How does your neck feel now? Comment done if you have completed the 5 minutes with me. Save this video for your next stiff neck day and subscribe for more simple yoga routines. Now we will chant Om and end with this session. Inhale. So viewers, we will meet in the next video. with a new topic. Till then, stay tuned. Namaste.